Hey guys, it's time for a new video episode of Easy Tips. Easy Tips will give you quick tips that will make you more productive using Easyflow. This time we are going to talk about moving data from Google Analytics to Google Sheets. Let's jump right on it. For this example, I created an empty Google Sheet file, and from Easyflow Workflow Designer we are going to drag and drop Google Analytics as first step and Google Sheet as next step. Google Analytics will be our source of information. Let's choose, for example, traffic metric. I will capture data from Easyflow website. Start day, say yesterday. We can say 1 year, 1 month ago. So we can set up the start date as a dynamic date and the end date, let's say today. And don't forget to set this step as first step. Let's preview the result and see if Easyflow is reading the data from Google Analytics. Preview result. We can see all the data here as JSON. So the first part of the JSON represents the schema of the data coming, how many records we got. And the most interesting part for us is the rows key. In this rows, we will see the actual data. So it is an array of array. Each array should went to Google Sheet as a single record. So now let's move to the next step by connecting Google Analytics to Google Sheet. In Google Sheet, we are going to choose add a row. Add a row, it doesn't mean just a single row. So if there is 1000 row coming from the Google Analytics, in one hit, this 1000 row will go to Google Sheet. Choose add a row, the connection, support at Easyflow, spreadsheet ID is tutorial or automation, range, you can choose a sheet name. And in the data part of Google Sheet, we have this array of array which exactly match the format of the rows keys coming from Google Analytics. So we are going to remove this one and choose the rows coming from Google Analytics and apply. Now let's run and close and see if the data went to Google Analytics, and here we are. So all the data went to Google Analytics. Thank you for watching this demo.